I am Rajiv Gupta. I am a judicial officer serving under the jurisdiction of High Court of Jammu and Kashmir, and I am a regular user of Dragon Naturally Speaking software. It was in 2009 when for the first time I started using Dragon Naturally Speaking, and it was I think version 10 of software. I found it to be quite nice with some exercises which the software itself prompts. I was able to use it freely, and it was quite efficiently being used by me for my office work as well as for dictation of judgments, and I got lot of benefits by using this software. Initially I started with the accuracy of about 70%, but with practice I reached the accuracy level of 95%, and with use and with regular practice I think the accuracy level can be more also. Personally speaking, I didn't face any problem because the lessons are there in the software itself, which one can practice and improve the efficiency. And the software itself also, while you practice, while you work on it, it keeps on improving the efficiency. Now recently we got update of version 15 of Dragon Naturally Speaking, and I think this is a lot of improvement as compared to the previous versions, and I have started using it, but I find the accuracy level still high, more than I think 97% accuracy level, and I'm very sure that I can reach up to 99% accuracy level by continuous use of this software. So far as the service provided by the organization Icons is concerned, I am very satisfied. Initially we got training also from Mr. Anubhav Kohli. It was online training, and the training, the way he spoke and the way he presented all about the software was wonderful. His communication skills were also good, and he was able to tell everything about the software and its use, continuous practice, how to improve efficiency. So everything was wonderfully told by him, and we have learned a lot from him. And our all other officers, they are also by this training got sufficient knowledge about the use of software, and they would also improve their efficiency level. I think this is the software which should be used by the judicial officers, and not only judicial officers, but I think all other legal professionals can use this software, because it improves the level of efficiency, and for lawyers also and other persons involved in legal dispensation system, they can all use this software to improve the efficiency. And by using this software they can save their time in documentation, and the level of documentation can also improve.